For today's towel folding tutorial, guys, I will teach you how to make a frog.
Wow!
So we need two types of towel, the bat towel, which is the largest size of towel, and the medium size of towel. So first thing to do is the body. Just roll each side of the bat towel. And fold. You have to pull out these four corners here. Just hold it. The four corners harder and pull it out. Just pull it out. This would be the body of the frog. Keep it aside. And the second step is the head. Just fold it at the center like this. And one more fold. Make it a triangle fold at the center. And fold it like this. You have to fold it inside this one, these two sides, these sides of this. Same as the other side. To pull it up this way. And one more layer. And the third layer. Shape and try to make this line as a mouth of the frog.
Galing yan.
Mouth, and this would be the eyes. We will put the eye on here later. And the final step is combining the head to the body. Like this. Turn it upside down, the head, and insert. And now we have to turn it upside down. 1, 2, 3.
Galing yan.
So now we are going to put an eye on here. That's it.
cute!